Me never hear to mash up the TV, man. And accident, man. Back a screen, but we could have buy back the screen, man. Alright, alright.
Hit that subscribe button and don't let me have nothing.
Alright, people. First time I try. But remember, you know, me has a good on the camera, you know. Be back time. I sleep. Just come in from work. Knockout. But me have to give man a knockout. I have a TV. I go switch out for him TV and put a old one. Put a hammer in a head. We go see how you work out. You go around there now.
Your favorite idiot. How I could have caused this? How did I idiot, man? Oh, Jesus. How I could have caused this? Your favorite idiot.
Yeah, man. And me not try if it put up something there and me just slip, you know, and
How much of a TV?
for that. Accident do happen, my youth. Can't do anything to help you, we help you.
That's
But
Christ.
look, man, look, you not have to go on, so sorry. Accident happen, my youth. Accident happen.
You might let me have my TV.
You not try put up something and then, you know, me just slip.
You put up it. You put up it.
I sleep, my youth.
Slip and left your hammer in a
Me
sit.
go up on the chair. I tell me go up on the chair. And go up on the chair and the chair just slide with me, man. And the chair slide and right time me try to catch up to the hammer that fly out of my hand. Me never hear to mash up the TV, man. And accident, man.
You're on a war, man.
Alright. But you could have fixed the screen.
This can't fix.
You could have buy back a screen, but we could have buy back the screen once.
Christ.
Oh Lord, me never mean it to happen. Never mean it to happen. Me never mean this to happen. Oh God, man, me never really mean to do it. Man, accident do happen, you know, my youth, and as me I tell me, look man, accident, man, accident. You, by the way, you know, you did have no insurance for it?
Oh,
You could have tell people, you could have tell them, say, guess what? I drop off a stand. If you never
drop off and you left one hammer in it. You left your hammer in a TV.
But me I talk about insurance, them not gonna know
Me
that.
not know insurance man this. Me had this
But
TV.
when you buy
Me have a TV for like 1 year
But
now.
when you buy things, you put on insurance on it.
What you mean insurance? What kind of insurance? I can't.
No, you can insurance. You never know, so they have insurance. They have insurance.
That extra money. Nobody not do them sitting there when them a buy TV.
Sorry, Bridget. Bridget, me sorry me you. Me sorry me never me. Oh boy, look how me come put myself in a now. Me come put myself in a.
You left all the way for here and come mash up the TV.
Yeah, me just plan to spend the day with your help. And me see, me I put up a little friend. But me just stand up on the chair right there so. And it's like me just do so. And you know, me don't feel me can either, but me just know say me hammer fly out of my hand.
I'll lick the TV.
I lick the TV.
Yes.
So
what on you know? How me I get by my TV? Me not have no money to buy by my TV. And you not have no money to buy back either. So what me I go do?
You know credit card my use.
Oh, what is?
Use a credit card, me will have to pay back and me will have to pay for it. So I mean accident, man, I just a little thing.
Man, you can't have accident and left your hammer in a TV. Like, how you fit do that?
I know me put the hammer in it. Me do something.
How you can nail up sitting up there so and lick it TV?
Because the chair, me turn up on the chair and the chair slide with me. And when the chair slide and me do so. And it just flying at the TV. So, me never really mean for it happen. But anyway, son, here we are.
I know why you're not right now.
Yeah. Here this, here I'm not going to do, man. Here I'm not going to do. Now I help you out. Alright? Now I help you out with that one. Because the real thing is, I know your TV is.
Yeah, jackass.
Wait, me say na my TV, na me buy this?
Yes, your TV where you buy, but this one, my TV, this one not working.
What?
This one, just bring it come. When you asleep, they come through the door with it. So you never saw me do me like a thing. Because remember, you know, you give me a broken prank. So you broke my glass.
So what my TV there?
Your TV is safe, man. Your TV alright, man. Your TV well safe. The TV in the bathroom. Take down this one and carry your one in it. Watch it and believe me, man. I'm not lying, man. You're one there, so. Yeah, man. You're good. Payback time. Look over there, man. Look over there. See that you're good. You're good.
Your favorite idiot.
Alright, man, yeah, man. Laugh.
Thanks for watching. You can watch more videos down below on the left. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button on the right.